Hey friends, Robert Imbriali here. My gosh, what a week it's been already. We have the coronavirus thing still going on that's not ending anytime soon. And now we have a new thing to worry about. We have Obamagate happening, right? I think for a lot of people it's just a little bit too much to handle. And I really, resonate with that. I understand that, dealing with one crisis is enough. And now we've got this other thing going on and you kind of don't know which way to look, which way is up. Where is the end of all of this coming? So I decided this week that probably one of the better approaches to all of this is to, instead of being focused on all the nonsense that's going on, and it is nonsense, things like California being shut down now, it was supposed to end tomorrow, and now it's pushed out till the end of July, with science that you and I might look at and say, it doesn't make any sense, there's no reason for this. And here it is. Here we are. And now we've got this whole Obamagate thing coming up, and we're not really sure what's going to happen or where it's going to go. And it's a little bit confusing. And it can be a little bit shocking in some ways. It could be a little bit frightening. It could be a little bit unsettling. We know political unrest is always bad for an economy or a country, and we certainly don't want to go in that direction. So I've had my sights set on what happens afterwards, after this is all settled out, after it's all, calmed down. What's it going to look like? What am I going to look like? What am I going to want to do? And how am I going to be of best service for the people that I serve, the customers I work with, right? And I think that's really where, if you put your energy there, it's very calming. And you could look forward to, what's coming next, and, what are you going to be able to do? The summer's here. For a lot of states now, they are opening up. Things are going to start to get back to normal. And, so it's time to start being focused there instead of, focusing on all the stuff that's going on in the media and all the circus. Really is really the best way to put it. It's really a circus, and you don't know which way it's going to go. So you and I can't control it. You and I can't process it. As smart as we are, we just can't process all that information and try to figure out what it all means. And, you're hearing stories from, it means the end of the world, and other people saying it's the greatest thing ever, and it could be anything in between. We have no idea. So instead, just stay focused on what you want. What are you going to create? What is it going to look like when it's all said and done, when things get back to normal for you? What's it going to look like? Because that is where your power is. And when it all ends, you want to make sure that you're ready to hit the ground running, because that's going to make the biggest difference. Think about it. Thanks so much for watching.